So I'm going to talk about a problem where an external mic is not detected. You just open the device manager in your computer and go to the audio inputs and outputs, and you should see that there is no mic which is displayed here. It's an external mic. Now, this problem is actually very common in devices where you have a combo port, which means you have got a single port for input and output. So let us go and open the Realtek HD Audio Manager here and go to the advanced settings. And here you have an option where you can click on the multi-stream mode and wait for a moment. There you can see your mic is now detected. So, a very simple solution to a problem that you might have ignored till now. Let us test the mic in Audacity and see if it is working. I'll just hit the record button and see if it plays. Oh, yes, and there's my external mic recording. So, well, there we are.